Hey, what is up guys? It's Rafael here, your 7-figure e-commerce coach, and today I'm going to teach you how to dropship with one-day shipping. How to make sure that those products that your customers order get to their homes in, a day or two, or maybe even a week, right? You don't have to wait a month or 2 months like some Aliexpress suppliers. The person orders, they get 3 weeks later, you get a chargeback, they need their money back. It's just a hassle. So how do you do it with 1 day to 1 week? Let's go on my computer and find out. All right, so 4 ways to do drop shipping with 1 day shipping or 1 week shipping, 1 day to 1 week. The first one is on Aliexpress using United States or Europe shipping. So if you go on Aliexpress and you let's pick a random category, right? You can essentially only pick suppliers that ship from the United States, or if you're based in Europe, that ship from Europe, right? As you can see here, ship from United States. I'm using a VPN to be in the United States because I'm in Poland. But if you are in Europe, you can essentially ship from Europe, right? There's Italy, Germany, Spain, there's a bunch of countries. The only bad thing about this is that the selection is lower. Obviously, these are less suppliers. They have less feedback, a lot less products, and the feedback may not be as good as the ones in China. Some companies are based exclusively in China. They don't have any suppliers in the US. But the ones that you do find, there are a lot of products that are on here. There's millions of products on here, right? We just went to the electronics category and there's 680,000 results for US shipping, right? So essentially you can use US shipping on all those products and use that as a filter, so you only pick products that ship from the US. Let's see how fast they ship actually. In ships from United States, 5 to 7 days. Your products are going to ship in like 5 days. There's not going to be chargebacks. Your customers are not going to ask you for their money back. Now, second thing is independent suppliers, right? Companies that create products, that make products, just like the ones on AliExpress, that are independent, that have their own website, essentially their own company to dropship. They don't dropship through AliExpress or through anything. You can essentially, this is one of them, Arid Sales. They do home and garden. I use them sometimes. Home and garden, they do kitchen, they do a lot of DIY, home improvement products. And essentially how you find them is by doing a Google search. So I did it right here, golf product suppliers. And as you can see here, golf clubs, equipment, clothing, Masters Golf Company, discounted, online golf shop, right? The suppliers like these, you can find them, essentially contact them through their website and tell them that you have a store in that niche. You want to sell those products and that you need those products in 5 to 7 days, 3 days, 1 day, whatever it is. Sometimes they do have express shipping of like 1 or 2 days, so you can essentially do it through there. And there's also this website that I want you to check out, esources.co.uk. This is a United Kingdom based supplier portal. The only issue with this is that suppliers are not vetted, right? It's the same issue with finding suppliers around the web, is that they don't have any feedback, they don't have any reviews. So you kind of have to do the research yourself, have to find the reviews, look the company name and then do reviews, or do best niche suppliers in my area or in the United States. And that's the only issue here, right? On AliExpress, you have tons of reviews, thousands of people commenting saying, hey, this product is this, and this. And you have that factor of you trust that the product is gonna actually get to your customers and not gonna break. In this, you really don't. You really don't have any reviews. Nobody's saying how good the product is or how fast it ships. You just kind of have to do the research and the evaluation yourself. Now, the third way you can do it is print-on-demand products, and I recommend the app Printful. Print-on-demand is essentially when you create like clothing, right? You create clothing, canvases, leggings. Let me see if they have products on here, right? So they have all these products that you can put a design on, or you can create designs for, right? As you can see here, hoodies, shirts, leggings. They have canvases as well, tank tops, everything. You can essentially create a design, put it on the t-shirt, for example, and then sell that. Printful ships in less than a week, sometimes 1 to 2 days to the United States. And as you can see here, they do have centers all over, right? So they have a center in Europe to ship all over the European continent, and they have centers they have 2 centers in the US and 1 center in Mexico if you're shipping to Latin America. So you can essentially know that the products are gonna get there fast and they're gonna be super high quality. I definitely recommend this app. It has tons of reviews on the top. As you can see, it's almost 2,000 4 to 5 star reviews. So it's definitely a great app to do print on demand with. I will do a video on print on demand later on, but this is a great way to, if you're a beginner and you just don't want to deal with AliExpress and don't want to deal with all that, then you can start doing print on demand with Printful. And the fourth way, which is contacting brands directly. You can essentially go to a brand whose products you want to sell, go to them, email them, or call them, whatever it is, and tell them that you have a store and show them the actual store. Make sure to have it pre-built. First, this is how I do a lot of my high-ticket dropshipping, is contacting brands directly. So let's say I want to go ahead and do golf clubs. I do golf clubs right here. So for example, Jam Golf, or all these brands, right? These brands of golf clubs. If I want to sell that specific product, all I do is I go to their website, I email them or I call them, and I show them my website and tell them, hey, I want to promote your product with Facebook ads, with Google ads on my website, and I want to be your reseller, right? They have to give you reseller permission. You can't just sell the product and then drop ship it yourself. You need permission from the actual brand, contacting them directly, email them directly, and you'll be able to add it to your shop. This is how I started high ticket dropshipping, is doing it, contacting brands directly, right? Those are the 4th best ways. If you're an absolute beginner, if you have no idea how to get started with e-commerce, I definitely recommend doing Aliexpress from the United States, just so you don't have to deal with all this China dropshipping times and months of getting the products to your customers. If you're doing high volume, you're probably gonna have to ship from China, or you're probably gonna have to choose express shipping from China, right? So if you're doing high volume, you're probably gonna have to do China. But if you're just starting out and you just wanna make sure that the products are good, they get there to the customers faster than you can do from the United States. Another con to this is that products from the United States are gonna be more expensive. Obviously, if they're not from China, they have to count for the shipping costs from China to the US for themselves. So the products are obviously going to be more expensive, so you're gonna have to put more expense into that, right? So it depends how much money you have, what budget you have. I made a video that's gonna pop around here on how much money you need to start e-commerce. So essentially you can start from China if you don't have that much money, from the United States if you want to make sure that it's quality and it gets there fast. So that's about it. Those are the 4 top ways to do dropshipping in less than 7 days. Go with that, start your own dropshipping store. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to this channel. I teach e-commerce, dropshipping, Shopify, how to start a business that runs by itself and helps you travel. As you can see right now, I'm in Poland. Every video I have a different apartment because I'm traveling all around the world. So essentially that gives you a freedom business and a freedom lifestyle. And on a last little note here, if you haven't checked out the 7-figure Ecom Secrets Inner Circle mentorship program, please click the first link in the description. My students are absolutely crushing it there, and I'm keeping it at a low price so that many people can join. 58 students have joined right now, and about 10 to 20 are already past the 5K, 10K marks. And they're absolutely crushing it and, absolutely making money that they've never thought they would make. If you want to check it out, first link in the description. You can watch the video right there with all the testimonials, all the reviews, and students are absolutely killing it. If you want to sign up, feel free, and we'll work together one-on-one to make sure your store is profitable in 2019. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.